Hi everyone, hope you all are good, doing well. Welcome to our channel, Maple Garments and Tailors. Uh, Today we are going to teach you how to make a princess cut blouse. So let's start the video. So here we took this front side. Its length is 14 inches and 1 inch seam allowance. Now measure from the shoulder, and shoulder is 7 inches. Shoulder will be 14 inches and the double is the half is 7 inches. Now some measurements for the shoulder cutting. So you can see, now make a round shape like this and cut it. Now this is the shoulder cutting. This is the fitting line and this is the seam allowance. Now we will measure to make a shape. So we will take from here 4.5 inches and mark it like this, and 3.5 inches from here like this. Now measure 10.5 inches from here, from shoulder to downside. Now we will make a line to join those marks like this. Simply join the line with the shoulder cutting, and this is done. Now we will take 2 inches from here, mark it, and now in the length we will mark 2 inches. 2 inches from here, and we will make a line like this. And we will cut it in the same way, and this is the waist part, and we will sew it like this. Then it will come in a shape. Now cut the neck, measure it. We will make 3 inches from shoulder and 7 inches long neck. So this is the V-shaped neck. If you want to make a round shape neck, then what you have to do, you simply have to draw a box shape like this, and now make a round shape like this, and this will be a deep round neck. You can make it on back side of the blouse. So this is, you can see, this is ready to cut and sew. So let's start sewing. So we took the blouse front part and we took its lining. Now we are joining it from the neck. Simply we cut the blouse the way we show you, and we sew it. Now make the little cuts in the center and on the sides like this, and turn it inside out like this. You can iron it to make a shape. Yes, this is perfectly done. Now we will take back side of the blouse, and we will put on a zip on the back side, back neck. And put a zip like this, and simply take up a strip of the fabric, a lining fabric, like this, put it together like this and sew it with a simple running stitch. Make sure you are sewing the sides of the zip, not a zip. We're making the deep neck from the back side. You can see this is, you can see now, join the zip from the other side, cut the thread. Now take the other side, put it like this. Here we will put a strip, fabric strip like this, and we sew it. This is a single foot. We put on zip with it, and we put on the pipings with it. So now you can see this is the look. But if you want to hide your zip, we'll sew it from the sides. You can see. And if you want to hide your zip, you have to do is just take a little bit of the fabric and place it on zip and sew it from this side like this I'm doing, and the zip will be invisible. So you can see this is done. We will make a stitch. So you can see the zip is done now. Join the shoulders. So this is front side, this is back side, and we will now join the shoulders. Hold the both of the shoulders like this and don't sew this like this. Fold it like this. And you will see this is the stitches, the seam line is completely hard from the both sides. You can see. Sew the other shoulder in the same way. Now you can see this is done. So this is the look of the blouse. This is the back side, and you can see the plates on the back side, and this is front side. Now we will make it sleeves. So take the fabric, the left of fabric, and fold it twice like this. Now make some measurements. Take the length, and the length will be 8 inches. The desired length is 8 inches. So now we will cut it. This is the blouse shoulder. You can see. Now we will cut it like this. Now we will measure the round shape of the sleeve from front side. We will mark it here and we will cut it like this. Now cut from the front a little bit too. this, and you can see our sleeves are ready, and you can see the sleeves stitches invisible from the front. This is, you can see, no seam line on the front of the sleeves. So the sleeves are ready. Now we will join the sleeves with the blouse. Turn the blouse inside out like this and join the sleeves here. So the blouse is ready, and I'm gonna show you the final look of this blouse. And you can see this beautiful, elegant princess cut blouse is ready, and you can see it from the back side. You can see this is the deep neck, beautiful. Please subscribe our channel, like my video, and comment please. Take care. Bye bye.